help me for being healthy?
Okay. Poonam, there is many ways to be healthy. For one of them is like you already know yoga, so you're into that. That is the main thing uh, that cause good health. And second thing is diet. So first you
So,
uh,
what kind of diet should we follow?
like my according to my experience, I prefer to have raw thing instead of cooked things. So um, like you can do like you can have your one meal cooked and two meals you can have raw. So in this way you can get achieve maximum health.
What can we eat in raw foods?
Yeah, you can eat in the morning. You can start your morning with all type of juices. Green juice is very good for health. So any kind of green vegetable, whatever it is available at your place. See, the best thing on the earth is ash gourd juice. That is the best thing you can have in the morning. So that is number one juice on the earth. Or if you are not getting that, the second number juice is coconut water. And if you are not getting that, then you can have green leaves. Any wheat grass is also equally good. And you can have any spinach or coriander leaves, or any green leaves, spinach, है ना? Mint leaves. So any green leaves along with bitter gourd you can have. So you can change on keep on changing your green juice. Juice is very healthy and it repairs your tissue from inside. So whatever damage is there inside our body, we don't know. So we are covered with the outer layer, that is skin. So we can't see. Okay. So it is a natural healer. The green juice is very good for health. So we should have that in the morning. And as soon as we have that, after hour or 2 hours gap, we can have fruits, any fruits that is seasonal and regional. You can have that fruits, full big plate fruits you can have. So that is your breakfast. And for lunch you can have anything light, like vegetable prepared with less oil, less salt, less spices. And you should add black pepper in your lunch. And again you can have millets for your lunch. That is very good. Millet, if, I want to clear that that millet should be micro millets. That the one little millet and barnyard and foxtail millet. So kodo kutki, these all are micro millets, and that these are very good for health. And these results into good health. So you can have that. And it is full of fiber, and lots of nutrition is there. So that is a complete diet. You can add as many vegetables as you can in that. So that will full you. And before eating that millets, you can have raw cucumber or any salads you want to have, that tomatoes and whatever you like, carrot, raw. Matlab, you can have one bowl of raw vegetable, whatever you want to have. So, or as per your liking. Then in the evening, you should have black tea, and just avoid having milk and sugar. Both things are very bad for health, and it affects badly on our health. So we should not have take in we should not have that milk and sweets. And in the night you can have very light things like again according to the season. Just you can have light lauki, turai, ghia. These all are very good. And raw things, any fruit you can have again, or any dry fruit shake you can have. But that shake should be made in water. And I usually make that shake out of dates, almonds, and that seeds, that muskmelon seeds, and pumpkin seeds. any seeds you can take, dates you can take, almonds you can take, keep on changing the dry fruit. And you can have fig along with this. So you grind them, soak them and grind, and you can add that banana, as well as you can groundnuts also you can add. That is a complete food. So you will get all the nutrition. It's not like that we should have one glass full of this shake and then we will have full meal. That should not be done. You should, this is the meal replacement. So one should be clear in this ki it is a meal replacement, it is not taken along with the meal. So if you want to cut your calories, so stick to this diet, and you will definitely get the benefits. And if you like feeling munching something in between, so the best thing to munch is coconut. That we are blessed with the coconut and we don't know the benefit of coconut. So instead of having biscuits, cakes, pastries, or chuda, which we have, so we can have coconut anytime. So we should keep coconut in our place regularly, on regular basis. We should cut that into pieces, and that should be always ready in our fridge, so that anytime whenever we feel like munching something, so we can eat that raw coconut. So that is again very good, and it will not increase your weight, or it will not increase your calories. So this is all. This is a short. This is a very short way to uh, say about the diet. So very long process is there. So minutely we have to follow that, and we have to go into that. But now, for now, it is sufficient, I think, Punam.
Okay. Can we have fruits at night?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
no
What kind of
problem.
fruits should we take?
Actually, Punam, whatever fruits is according to the available according to the season, that should be taken. So it
Okay.
is not like you should not be मतलब अपने आप को परेशान, you should never make yourself self in trouble for getting the fruits. So whatever like ठेले भर के जो आते
Easily.
हैं, that is you are getting for maximum in the market, that you can have, that
Okay.
you can buy and have, मतलब easily available things. And you will see round the year there is, if you will search for that kind of मतलब if you set your mind कि भाई मुझे I have to eat raw things. देखो, first thing is raw things. फर्स्ट मतलब जो सबसे बेनिफिट करता है बॉडी को, दैट इज रॉ. एंड उसके बाद जो 90% बेनिफिट करता है, दैट इज स्टीम्ड. सो एनीथिंग यू कैन स्टीम दैट बीटरूट हल्का, मतलब व्हाट यू हैव टू लाइक, पैन को गरम करना है, यू हीट द पैन एंड पुट द वेजिटेबल एंड जस्ट कवर इट एंड put off the gas. That's all. So you will gradually improve that habit of eating that steamed fruits also, vegetables also. That again benefits a lot.
You mean to say half cooked food we have to eat? We should
Yeah,
eat.
yeah. Actually, what we do, we like add so many things in that, na? So many oil, ghee, and so many masales and all. So we are like spoiling the food. So it should not be like this. But we Indians, like we are going running for taste. So nothing can be done, but slowly and gradually we can change ourselves. And the ladies, um, I cannot say कि भाई ladies should change their ways of cooking and all, because like अगर हम बना के रखेंगे, if nobody will eat, then what is the use? Okay, and that is not very easy. You should one should be very determined from within. So it is not that easy, but slowly and steadily one can achieve that goal of good health. So I always want to guide people what to have, not to have, and focus more for raw things. And you will, if you focus more, you will automatically your focus will go on what you can consume raw. So you will definitely go and search for that, and you will get that, and it is like available everywhere.
Thank you, Renu. You have given me more information for what to have and what to not to have.
वेलकम वेलकम जी या ड्रिंकिंग No, I totally suggest not to have milk and curd. You should not have milk. Yeah, juices. You can have juices, and in the evening that you are having shake, na, that is more than milk. So earlier, matlab you made that shake. It doesn't result good, but you should add. Matlab do your own experiment. समटाइम ऐड समथिंग कभी कभी क्वांटिटी कभी कम और ज्यादा करके देखो कर लो और आई विल मेक शॉर्ट वीडियो इफ पॉसिबल फॉर यू एंड सेंड so that yeah so nowadays I'm adding khaskhas so I keep on changing the dry fruits also so like yeah, raw. Everything raw. Nothing cooked, nothing baked, nothing roasted, nothing. So it should be raw. So if you say कि भाई you consume that raw like this that itself जैसे है वैसे ही consume करो it's quite difficult for us. So it is very good to grind it, make it a good paste, make it to a very good paste, and you can have. And again, if you can, you didn't had that coconut milk so I usually make that coconut milk, and you again you have to grind that coconut, and you will like that milk. And this milk what we are having, it is not, it is of no use. So I cannot describe, I cannot tell each and every people ki bhai what we are having is wrong. But it is a trend, and if you go to the doctor, he will also say ki bhai you should have milk once in a day or twice in a day. So they are educated. It's not their fault. Like their education is like that only. So they are educated in that way. But if we come to the natural things, if we come go to our Puran, Ayurveda. So that is we will get all these things, naturopathy. So naturally, like only man, humans are like consuming milk of other. अदरवाइज सृष्टि में कोई भी ऐसा प्राणी नहीं है जो कि दूसरे का अपनी माँ के अलावा किसी और का दूध पीता हो सो वी शुड लाइक हम बनते हैं बुद्धिमान बट वी आर लाइक बेसिक चीज भी समझते नहीं है सो वी कैन आई कैन नॉट एलोबरेट द थिंग सो मच बट आई मस्ट से यू मस्ट थिंक ओवर इट कि why we should not have milk and you can search on the net also so you will get the reply so milk is not for us actually so when I come to know about this it is quite difficult for me to leave the milk because I am a like big founder of like what to say मैं बहुत ज्यादा fond of yeah thank you ma'am so I am very fond of milk and I used to have twice a day मतलब and after having breakfast like fruits juice and the cooked breakfast then I used to have milk also एंड लाइक मैं आई यूज टू से कि मिल्क तो इधर उधर कहाँ चला जाता है इट्स डजंट मतलब पता ही नहीं चलता है सो आई एम अ बिग फाउंड ऑफ मिल्क सो बट आई हैव
I-
लेफ्ट because there is no use only our body have to work for it unnecessarily that's all.
okay.
हाँ thank you yeah ma'am yeah.
Okay.
Okay
Okay. Okay.
bye
Bye.
bye Poonam.
Bye. Thank you.